Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool middle right here, and basically what this is a magnetic power bank. So you can definitely do wireless charging on here using the magsafe option if you guys want to. So this is basically what the packaging looks like when you guys first get it. But I'm actually open up and show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first take it out, you guys can see they provide you guys this accessory right here, which is like a finger holder if you guys want to actually use the option right here. So you can actually stick this onto your phone, or if you guys want to stick this onto your power bank, you can definitely use it either way. Next right here, you can see they provide you guys the cable, and this cable has USB to USB-C, and also lightning cable as well, and micro USB right here. And then right here we have the actual product, so let's take it out. Alright, so when you take it out, you guys can see how they provide you guys a user manual in the very bottom to teach you guys how to set a product and how to use it. And then right here we have the actual product. So this is what it looks like on this side. If you guys flip it to the other side, this is what it looks like on this side. So I'm assuming right here is where you can put on like the ring finger option or the accessory. And right here they do have a kickstand option. So if you guys open it up, you guys can open it up like that. And if you guys want to watch movies or whatever, you can definitely do that on here. If you guys look inside right here, there's two options for you guys to plug in stuff here. So there's a USB option, and then here's the USB-C option. If you guys look on the side right here, there's a button for you guys to activate the actual power bank right here. So once you guys press it one time, it will activate right here to show you guys the battery life and everything, which is pretty cool. And for this power bank that we have right here, it has a capacity of 5000 mAh, which will give you guys one full charge on your iPhone. So you definitely have the option to use the wireless MagSafe charger option, or if you guys want to use a cable to recharge it, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. But if you guys use the fast charging option, the maximum charging speed on here is 20 watts. But definitely when you guys look at the power right here, it's actually pretty thin. So it won't take up that much space, which is pretty nice. And if you guys do have a MagSafe compatible case, you can definitely use this through the case if you guys want to. But if you guys have a case that does not support MagSafe chargers, then you would definitely need to actually take out the case first in order for you guys to use it. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now I'm going to test it out to see when it actually works first. Alright, so I'm going to turn it on first. And once we activate right here, I'm not sure if it's see or not, but it actually has like each percentage on here. So it shows 25, 50, 75, and 100% right here. But basically all we need to do is just put this in the back right here. And it works, if I can see. If I can see how strong the magnet is on here, it actually stays on pretty nice. If you guys want to use the accessory on here, you definitely can. So I'm actually take it out to show you guys how that works. Alright, so here is the accessory. So we open it up. You can definitely use it as a ring finger option like that if you guys want to. So basically what you guys want to do is peel off this part right here and then stick it in the back right here. So I guess it's not magnetic, but you definitely can peel off this part right here to actually stick it onto right here if you guys want to. Or if you guys want to stick this on here, you can definitely do that as well. But if you guys do that, you won't be able to use the wireless charging option or the MagSafe charger option. But definitely really cool how they provide you guys as an accessory if you guys want to use that option. So now I'm going to plug in the cable to test it out to see when we can actually charge the product while charging the actual phone at the same time. Alright, so I'm plugging the bottom part here. Alright, so I'm not sure if it's see or not, but basically it's charging the actual product right here. And if you guys look on the other side where the phone is, it actually still works as well. Alright, so I just took out my phone, if you can see it's still charging right here. But when I actually try to charge my phone, you can see it actually still works as well. So definitely charge the power bank while charging your phone at the same time if you guys want to. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to use the kickstand option, you can definitely do that as well. So we open up this part right here and just put like this. If you can see, it definitely does work as a kickstand option if you guys want to use that option, which is pretty cool. So that is basically everything that's on the product right here. If you can see, everything on here works really, really well. Definitely really cool how they give you guys a kickstand option and also the ring finger option if you guys want to use those two accessories. And also really cool if you guys want to use the USB and the USB-C option to charge another device at the same time if you guys want to. Or if you guys want to use the wireless charger option on here on the power bank, you can definitely do that as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for a wireless charger or a MagSafe charger that has everything that's on here, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out. And it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.